If you are an app developer looking to monetize your mobile app, AppLovin probably came up in your research. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just an ad network, but the surprising truth is that AppLovin is a full mobile marketing and monetization platform with multiple layers of functionality. AppLovin offers tools for user acquisition, monetization, analytics, and even in-app purchase optimization. You can run targeted ad campaigns to acquire new users, and its AI-driven algorithms help optimize revenue and engagement. The monetization side includes in-app ads, rewarded videos, and playable ads. Many developers report good eCPMs on iOS and Android, particularly for rewarded ads. The analytics dashboard gives insights into user retention, LTV, and ad performance, which can guide your strategy. The downside, AppLovin can be complex for beginners. The platform has many features, and learning to optimize campaigns effectively requires time and experimentation. Some developers have also reported that payouts and reporting can occasionally be confusing. Most people get this wrong by comparing AppLovin solely to basic ad networks. The truth is, it's not just about serving ads, it's a comprehensive growth and monetization ecosystem. If used correctly, it can boost revenue and user acquisition simultaneously. In conclusion, AppLovin is a powerful tool for app developers who want to combine monetization, marketing, and analytics in one platform. Beginners may face a learning curve, but the long-term potential for revenue and growth is significant. If this review helped you understand AppLovin's potential, subscribe for more honest app monetization and marketing reviews.